Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm just giving the 1 month update on the Cynosure hair that I got. If you want to see this update, keep on watching and see how this hair maintained, hunty. I think it did really well. I'm actually going to my 3rd month and I'm going to put up the 2nd month tomorrow. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So this is actually the first day I put in, I put everything in, did my baby hairs, and I went to sleep, and it looked like this when I woke up. So I'm just retouching everything back up, basically. Nothing major, just touching everything back up. That's all. Okay, so here I'm just giving y'all a demonstration on how this hair flows. So I'm just gonna brush it and let it flow for you guys. I was actually in Orlando about to go to an Orlando Magic game, and I actually put some clips in this video. So stay tuned if you want to watch. And this is basically like a little get ready with me that I'll be posting later on when I went to the Magic's game. Stop, girl. Okay. And I just tied down my edges after I did them. And I'm just making sure my curls in the front is flipped and everything is flipped and dipped and, you know. Just touching it up. And you can see how that thing flow again. So, yeah, I have that video up later. But this is just, update. This is my first week with it in. Actually, this is my 2nd week with it in. And at this point, we're just at the game, you know what I'm saying? Just giving me a little footage, you know what I'm saying?
Returning for the Portland Trailblazers to start the second half. Number 1, Evan Turner. Number 8, Alvin Hughes. Number 27, Yusuf Nurkic. Number 3, CJ McCollum. And number 0, Damian Lillard. We got him moving that. Hey, we went to the game. We got him moving that. Come on, excuse me. And returning from the Magic, Mario Hezonja, Aaron Gordon, Nikola Vucevic, Jonathan Simmons, and Alfred Payton.
There you go. Thank you. You're welcome.
Give it to him. No, you gave it to me. No, I was giving it to you. No. Give my shirt. No. Tell your son to give me a shirt. Tell your son right now to give me a shirt. Oh,
This is how we be getting skilled. Huh? So y'all, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I love this hair. I will be ordering from this company again. This price for this hair was unbelievable. I paid $75 for this hair, a 18, a 20, and a 22 inch, and they're thick, long, And actually, these bundles are really nice. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Hey, hey. I know y'all ain't going nowhere without hitting that subscribe button. Girl, you better come back here. I know you lying. Hey, 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 hey. Y'all be blessed.